Welcome to this sanctuary of peace and tranquility. This is a haven where you can escape from the incessant noise of the world and find serenity. Here, in this sacred space, designed with a unique blend of comfort and tranquility, you can disconnect from the worries of the world and reconnect with the depths of your soul. As you settle into your space, let the walls around you dissolve. Now, imagine you are surrounded by nature, cradled in the heart of a vast, serene forest. The sky overhead is a gentle gray with the soft pitter-patter of rain beginning to fall. It's a gentle rain, a soothing rain, the kind that whispers promises of renewal and growth. Allow the gentle sound of this rain and the soothing harmony of soft music to envelop like a warm embrace. It is a symphony designed to lull you into a state of peace, the soft rhythm of nature's music seeping into your consciousness, wrapping you in its comforting cocoon. You are invited to breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with the essence of serenity that permeates this place. Regardless of external chaos here, you can always find calm. Exhale, releasing any tension or stress that may have made a home within you. Feel the weight of the world lifting off your shoulders as you breathe out. This is a place of healing, a place of respite, a place for you. You are safe here. Imagine yourself as a tiny droplet of water, perched delicately on the tip of a blade of grass. You exist as a minute, transparent sphere barely visible to the naked eye. Yet within you, countless molecules of H2O dance in a ballet of life. You are not simply a particle of moisture. No, you are much more. You are a vessel of life, an embodiment of the essence of existence. You sit on the edge, precariously balanced, reflecting the world you in 1,000 tiny prisms. Your existence may seem transient, fragile, yet you are a miracle of nature. You are created from the very breath of life itself, pulled from the depths of the earth and exhaled into the atmosphere. You are an essential element in the grand cycle of life, carrying the potential for growth, renewal, and transformation. You hold within you the power of the oceans, the tranquility of the lakes, the fury of the rivers, and the serenity of the dew. You are a testament to the ebb and flow of life, a symbol of the constant movement and change within the universe. And now, you are about to embark on an extraordinary journey. A journey in reverse, from this earthly realm to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Allow yourself to be swept up in the currents of the universe, bound for the endless expanse of the celestial infinity. Feel yourself being lifted from the blade of grass, ascending to a leaf that dances in the wind. The leaf, a tiny green ship, holds you gently in its palm as it sways in the breeze. It's your first vessel on this journey, a humble beginning for a great adventure that is yet to unfold. As you ascend higher, you feel a unique tranquility. Each passing breeze carries of the world around you, the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the distant sound of a babbling brook. With every inch you rise, the world seems to open up in front of you like a blooming flower greeting the sun. The leaf carries you further up, moving with the rhythm of the wind, dancing in an invisible ballet. You are now amidst a sea of green, surrounded by leaves shimmering in the sunlight. The world below fades into a green blur as you continue to ascend, guided by the whims of the wind. Finally, you reach the pinnacle of a majestic tree. The leaf, having fulfilled its duty, gently lays you on a branch. The view from the top is breathtaking. You're at the heart of nature, where everything is interconnected and resonating with life. From here, you can see the world in all its beauty, a tapestry of colors, sounds, and life. As you ascend further, you become a part of a cloud, a floating sanctuary in the sky. This cloud, ethereal and enchantingly beautiful, becomes your chariot, carrying you aloft into the abyss of the sky. It's not just a cloud, it's a little piece of heaven that shifts and dances in the cool air currents. You feel weightless, unhindered by gravity and earthly constraints, are lighter than air. You become free like a bird soaring through the open sky, free to roam the heavens. The heavens, which were once only a distant dream, have now become your playground. The cloud, now your companion, carries you, tenderly whisking you away from the terrestrial world, higher and higher. You soar oceans of air through the stratosphere, into the mesosphere, and finally into the exosphere, the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere. The cloud carries you beyond the protective shell of the atmosphere, into the vast and infinite expanse of the cosmos. Now you're in a realm where celestial bodies rule, a realm where stars twinkle like diamonds, a spectacle of resplendent beauty. You see planets revolving in their orbits, each a world unto itself, harmoniously weaving the cosmic dance. The grandeur of the universe unfolds before your eyes, a sight to behold. Stars twinkle like diamonds, and planets revolve in harmonious orbits. Now you find yourself in the silence of deep space, where the only sound is the rhythm of your own breath. As you float in the vast emptiness, the concept of time fades away and you're embraced by the majestic infinity. The silence is not menacing, but welcoming, as if you finally found the sanctuary you didn't know you were searching for. You're alone, yes, but never have you felt less lonely. This is solitude at its purest. As you peer into the depths of the cosmos, you see the distant flicker of stars, each a unique testament to the beauty of the universe. Galaxies twirl and spiral, painting the black canvas with radiant light. The universe unfolds in front of you like an open book, revealing tales of cosmic birth and death, of timelessness and transient beauty, of distant worlds and civilizations unknown. In this space, you become a cosmic voyager, a silent observer of the grand ballet. Your senses are heightened. Each you take syncs with the pulsating rhythm of distant quasars. Each heartbeat echoes the cosmic drum. You comprehend the grandeur of existence, the spectacular theater of life and death playing out in cosmic scales. You are at peace. Here, in this infinite black canvas, you are not just an observer, but a part of it. Each atom in your body resonates with the rhythm of the cosmos. You are not just in the universe, you are the universe. You are one with the universe, a part of the cosmic dance that has no beginning and no end. Imagine the galaxies as vast gardens of light, each star a radiant flower, each planet a unique leaf. Picture yourself sailing across this ethereal seascape, the cosmic winds of time and gravity guiding your course. Each constellation that you pass is an island unto itself, a radiant oasis of stardust and cosmic energy. The stars twinkle like petals caught in a gentle breeze, their light a symphony of color and vibrancy. Within their luminous embrace, you can see their fiery hearts pulsing with raw elemental power. Each planet is a leaf, a unique specimen in this celestial botanical garden. Some are verdant and rich with life, teeming with vibrant ecosystems. Others are barren and desolate, yet each one holds its own unique beauty. Some are cloaked in a blanket of clouds, their surfaces a mystery waiting to be discovered. Others are rocky and rugged, their surfaces by the passage of time. Each one is unique, just as each leaf in a garden is unique. You are a drop of celestial nectar, a particle of stardust. You are part of this cosmic tapestry, woven into the very fabric of space and time. You bring your own light, your own energy to this vast garden. With each breath you radiate energy, contributing to the cosmic song that permeates the universe. Each moment of your existence is a single note in this grand symphony of life. As you float in this cosmic ocean, whisper to yourself the following keywords, letting each one resonate deeply within you. This state of profound tranquility, this feeling of oneness with the cosmos, is not a fleeting experience, is always within your grasp. The serenity you feel now, this comforting calmness, this soothing stillness, is not confined to this moment. You can tap into it at any time. Imagine this tranquility as a tranquil forest pool, the waters still and serene, reflecting the infinity of the starlit sky. It's always there, waiting for you, a place of respite and rejuvenation. Every time you close your eyes, every time deeply, every time you quiet your mind, you can return to this state of being. You are now ready to descend into a peaceful, invigorating slumber. Picture your mind as a vessel, gently drifting on the ocean of tranquility, its waves whispering lullabies of peace. Imagine the soft, gentle darkness enveloping you, holding you, comforting you, guiding you towards a restful, rejuvenating sleep. Welcome this sleep, for it is a sacred space of healing, a sanctuary for your soul, a time for your body and mind to repair, renew, and rejuvenate. As you surrender to the allure of sleep, may you let go of the concerns of the day, releasing them like stars into the infinite night sky.